Welcome to our channel Travel and Jobs. In this video, we will discuss the exciting opportunity of UK government unskilled jobs with visa sponsorship in 2023. We will cover the eligibility criteria, who can apply, the salaries you can expect, the benefits you will receive, and provide a step-by-step demonstration on how to apply for these jobs. We will also provide you with all the important details you need to know about these jobs, including eligibility criteria, salaries, benefits, and how to apply. So, let's dive in. Unskilled jobs in UK for foreigners workers are such jobs that do not require you to have special skills to do. This type of work is available in each country because there is accrued work that will not require formal training, skills, or education. So, people with little or without special skills use this opportunity to make a living. Some examples of unknown work including cashiers, wholesale employees, and cleaning. What is expected from you? If you are applying for UK unskilled jobs, it means you will occupy jobs such as fruit picking, cleaning jobs, warehouse operatives, bricklayers, harvesters, etc. Most of these jobs fall under the temporal workers visa, which will allow you to stay in the UK for a minimum of 6 months to about 3 years for some of the visas. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for these UK government unskilled jobs with visa sponsorship, there are a few criteria you need to fulfill. Firstly, you must be at least 18 years old. Secondly, you must have a valid passport and be willing to travel and work in the United Kingdom. Additionally, you should have a good command of the English language and be able to communicate effectively. No specific educational qualifications or prior work experience are required for these unskilled jobs. Who can apply? The program is open to individuals from around the world who meet the eligibility criteria mentioned earlier from overseas countries. It is a fantastic opportunity for those seeking a new experience, exploring different cultures, and acquiring valuable work experience. Salaries. One of the most important aspects of any job is the salary. The UK government unskilled jobs with visa sponsorship offer competitive and fair remuneration packages. The salaries will vary depending on the job type, location, and specific responsibilities. Most of these jobs pay you about £35,000 per year or £10 to £13 per hour. However, rest assured that these jobs offer decent earnings, providing you with a comfortable living standard. Benefits. In addition to attractive salaries, these unskilled jobs also come with several benefits. Firstly, you will receive comprehensive healthcare coverage, ensuring your well-being during your stay in the United Kingdom. Secondly, you will enjoy paid holidays and annual leave, allowing you to take time off and explore the beautiful country. Furthermore, the UK government provides support and assistance to foreign workers, making your transition and work experience smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's move on to the most important part, which are some unskilled jobs you can apply now in the UK and move there. I will just give you brief details about these jobs and leave the links in the description below for you to apply for them yourself. The first on our list here is Harvesting Manager. Posting date, the 17th of July 2023. Hours, full-time. Closing date, the 16th of August 2023. Location, Hexham, Northumberland. Company, Egger, UK, Limited. Job type, permanent. Job reference, job code, 2896. Check out the full details from this company website and apply for the job. Link on description below. The second on our list is Gardener, Groundsperson. Posting date, the 17th of July 2023. Salary, £12 per hour. Hours, part-time. Closing date, the 16th of August 2023. Location, NR70FE. Company, Contract Personnel Limited. Job type, temporary. Job reference, PWGDDE00549625. The third is a garden laborer. Posting date, the 17th of July 2023. Salary, £120 per day. Hours, full-time. Closing date, the 24th of July 2023. Location, Fordham Heath, Colchester, CO39TH. Company, Grafter Now. Job type, contract. Job reference, 43726. The fourth and last for today is Garden Maintenance Operatives. Posting date, the 17th of July 2023. Salary, £11.77 to £12.22 per hour. Hours, full-time. Closing date, the 16th of August 2023. Location, Blandford, Dorset, DT 117 Top. Company, Professional Personnel Management Limited. Job type, permanent. Job reference, ME, GM, DT _ 1,689,601,294. Please check out video description for the various jobs links, then click on the Apply button on the gov.uk website. Then create an account and fill in the required fields and submit. So this is all we prepared for you today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more opportunities. We will see you in our next video.